everyone, and welcome to Daven's Castle again. As you can see, we've got a better camera. We've finally got stuff on the walls that you can see without the sun blinding you. And I have DVDs on the shelf. So, what are we looking at today? Well, in a special two-part video, we are looking at two Kamen Rider items. The DX laser thing. This is actually the buckle. And I was going to have to put the buckle down anyway, so screw it. And the DX buckle that goes with it. We're going to open this first and see what's inside. I've got a knife, because Knife-kun is still on vacation because of his contract. He's got a better contract than I do. So let's open it up. Stuck. I didn't plan that, by the way. This is, stupid, actually. Okay, let's take everything out. Here is the base of the buckle. Get a nice look at that, guys. It's actually shiny enough that you can see it in the finish. That's really nice, actually. Hopefully the strap. We got our two laser cards, I guess these are called. This one's being weird. Okay, there we go. Somehow, even when I plan to quit doing trading card shit, I'm somehow back to doing trading card shit. So, here we go. The back buckle for the driver itself. I'm probably going to make the buckle complete this time, just so I can have it built. I'm not going to bother with the straps. Straps are your basic... okay, maybe they're not as basic as I thought they would be. These are, not the ones I'm used to on Kamen Rider belts. But, there. These are actually perfectly nice and symmetrical. Okay, so... I'm guessing they go like this with the driver. So let's get the driver put in first. And then we do it like this. Slide to the left. Side to the right. Right foot, let's stomp. Okay, this has to go like this, where the button is facing this way. And then finally, the buckle's back buckle. My whole leg just gave out right there. And there we go! The DX Razor buckle. They charge you $35 for this thing. This is a fucking hunk of plastic. They literally just split the toy itself into two pieces. I guess the nice thing I could say is this. It is at least a decently put together buckle. It's one piece. You can't store your fucking cards anywhere, though. That's the thing. The cards don't really go anywhere, and I'm looking at the back of this damn thing. It's focused on the gun, not the buckle, and that pisses me off, because obviously there's no instructions on how to put this thing together in the box. I'm quite literally perturbed by this. Why would you make something like this, add all these cards, which is ridiculous, and then you wouldn't even bother putting an instruction manual in? Because, like, where am I supposed to put these? I'm going to have to put them on the shelf, as is. Okay, you know what? We're going over to the gun now. Let's open up the gun. And don't need you any more knife, hopefully. too much... I don't know why it's sticking so much. Like, this is new. I didn't buy this, like, used. Yeah, you probably can tell I'm a little pissed now. Like, why? It's not even... Once again, no instruction manual. That's great, guys. You got the 2 key cards for the weapon itself, which I'll be demonstrating in a minute. But seriously. I gotta remember how a camera works. That's it. It's not even in a proper box, honestly. It's all just one fucking box. You know, the handle is... Alright, let's just try it out. Did they send me a lemon? Ah, here we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Well, let's put the 3 riders out. I know Tycoon, I know Gates, I know Boofa, and Catgirl. I've really not watched the show much. I literally ended up just going straight into the show with this, by the way. We'll start with Gates, which is the basic rider. This is why a fucking instruction manual is needed, kids. You know, this is kind of why I need an instruction manual for some cases. Okay, let's hope that worked. Nope. Nope, I fucked up. Aren't you so glad you decided to tune into this stream, kids? You got a guy who doesn't know what the fuck he... Oh, there we go. Henshin! You know, that made it all worth it. I'm not gonna lie. That sound effect, that made it all worth it. Let's see what it sounds... Okay, so... Obviously, there's some buttons here. There's where the desired driver hooks in. Alright. Let me see what happens if I push the button. That thing's, like, deep. That's, like, almost on the Tatagami Koru Senki driver. I love that blue lighting. Okay, so it's only got 2 modes, support and pinch. Not gonna lie, this is nice. There's gotta be more buttons or something. Maybe the back has some info. Okay, we've got finish mode and support mode. Okay, so there's really not anything much else I could say about it at this point. Fine. Other than that, the belt's essentially complete. We're done with it. All right, let's try the next key. I gotta look at the... Not as good as Jin. Alright, let's see what his sound effects are like. Okay, so I thought... Sorry. Okay, so I thought that said pinch mode. It's finish mode. That's what it said on the box. I guess next we'll do Cat Girl. Still no real way to, like, store these cards, which is ridiculous. Okay, so this one's giving me some... There we go. I keep forgetting where to put it. Whoa! That's actually a neon green. Alright, so the laser support modes are all the same sound minus the startup sound. Nice Mega Man sound there, though. Not gonna lie, the coloring is good. I like that. Don't like the fact that the back is all freaking hollow. You guys could have put something back there to hold everything in place. This thing was like $90 with shipping, by the way. I just want you all to know. I paid for it like 9 months ago. Okay, I don't know if you can see it because of the camera itself, but the lighting is actually purple. Yeah, that's different. Alright, let's hear the finisher sound. I'm stupid. Well, that was kind of disappointing after the opening. Seriously, the lighting was great. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Now we need to put in the... Actually, we could probably do it like this. And now, let's see how you work. Oh, okay. What this part does is, okay, so you can't really hold it in, like, an actual position. You gotta hold it like this. That sucks. And now, this part. Okay, looks like the instructions are on the back of the fucking box now. Yeah, that's all this piece does. That's all it does. This piece is freaking pointless, it looks like. Like, what the fuck are you supposed to do with this piece? But, other than that, that's it. That is the whole fucking kit and caboodle. So... Okay, it looks like we got another little hidden secret. Okay. I thought I found a way to screw the desire driver settings. Looks like I didn't. Looks like I will need a desire driver for this. So if you want to donate to the channel so I can get one, the link's below. Other than that, that's it. This is the whole kit and caboodle. Well, this is what $90 gets you, kids. You get 4 cards, which all essentially do the same thing minus lights. a very pointless buckle, which doesn't do anything, it looks like. It actually looks like it's just the buckle. Which is weird. I don't get why they would sell this separate. They could have just sold the whole thing at like $75, and people would have paid that to get both pieces. Like, it feels like a completionist's nightmare. If you're like me, who liked how this all looked, this is still bothering me. I wonder what the... I want to know where the hell you would store spare cards. God. I'm going to have to go look at another person's video. Maybe they found it. But, essentially, you're paying $75 American for all this. A gun, a strap, and 4 cards. So if you're a big fan of Kamen Rider Jin's design, you might want to pick this up. As it stands, I don't feel like this was worth the money. Like, I'm still going to keep it because I like the gun. The gun itself is the best part of this entire thing. And I'm going to get the Desire Driver probably soon enough, so can't wait for that. I don't know whether... Like, the only 2 people who seem to have their colors proper... The only person who doesn't have their proper color is Gates, which is weird. But... I wonder what happens if you put it in upside down. Nothing. Okay. Like, I'm wondering how we would know. I'm guessing the slots here would tell the driver, the gun, what to do. Oh, yeah, I'm right. I'm right. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see if we can hack the damn thing. Alright, looks like we can't hack it. Alright. Other than that, it wasn't the worst thing I think I've ever bought in my life. But I think I've bought stupider and gotten way less for it. Maybe on the next video I'll talk about my Kamen Rider Blades collection, but other than that, this was altogether, I said $85. In reality it was $90 because I paid for the priority shipping. And honestly, they took a discount for that. I don't think this is the worst toy, and it's nice. I'm probably going to keep it on my shelf. Other than that, I think we're done here. There we go. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time for another video, hopefully.